A tiny hum filled the air like something searching for its purpose, which means I couldn't look away as drifting sparks floated between silent blooms. "Why bother moving so much?" a wandering breeze whispered, but the little hum spun circles, touching one fading petal after another. So the breeze followed, noticing how each touch woke another color, which means the field slowly breathed back to life. And that's why the hum finally said, "Small moves feed the world." So the breeze carried that truth farther than sound could reach.